December. December. Right. My water. Come close. So, algebra. So we continue with our exponents. So go will come to my hope everyone is well, right? Right. So let's just do a recap of what we did on the exponents on our last session. On our last session, 2x bracket -3 x to the power 2 y to the power -3 to the power 2 divided by 3 the x to the power -4 to the power -2. Right. From here, we have to solve what is on top first. We have to solve what is on top first, and then after we are going to divide. Right. So remember, we have brackets, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Right? Start with the brackets and the exponents. We're going to start with the outside exponent, which is affecting everything inside. Right? So the outside exponent is affecting everything inside there, right? Which means this 3 is being affected also. This 3h is to the power 1, right? So every exponent inside the bracket is being affected. So we are going to have 2x, open bracket, negative 3, 1, 3, 1 times 2. Right. Right. So the exponents are the ones which are what? Multiplying each other. And then divided by 3x to the power negative 2, y to the power negative 4. Like this. So let's conclude. 2x, open bracket, negative 3 squared is going to give us positive 9, x to the power 4, y to the power negative 6, close bracket, all over 3, x to the power negative 2, y to the power negative 4. Right. From here, what do we do? From here, we are going to multiply this. Remember, brackets, exponents, multiplication. We are done with the brackets. Now we want to what? We want to multiply. So we are going to multiply 2 by 9, which gives us 18. And then x to the power 1 times x to the power 4, which is x to the power 5, which is 1 plus 4. Right? From there, y to the power negative 6 all over 3, x to the power negative 2, y to the power negative 4. This is where we are now. Right. Thanks for tapping the screen, guys. Thank you. This is where we are now. All right. But we are not yet done. We are not yet done. Because we need to divide. Number divides number. Variable divides variable. Right? So we are going to say 18 divided by 3. Is it holidays or am I tripping? It's holidays, bruh. It's holidays. We are reminding ourselves, we're just cooking a little bit whilst we are enjoying our December, ne? Is it holidays or I'm tripping? No, you ain't tripping. You're cool. You're straight. You're cool, my bro. You're cool, my guy. So don't worry too much, eh? Don't worry too much. Yo, for 10, yeah, I'm going to do so, but right now I have one group which I have combined, which is for grade what? It was for 8 and 9, but now I'm going to separate the 9s and the 10s. They must have their own groups. You see, but next ish, in the midst of the term, remember that group is for free sessions. If I have free sessions, if I'm available, sometimes I might be hooked up and whatnot, but I'll see. I'll see what I can do, or I think I can create groups with a little charge. With a little charge. Say we need for grade 10, don't worry. Mo, you in grade what? Let me know. Which grade are you in? You are in grade what? A group for grade 10, I'll sort it out. Don't worry. I'll sort it out. Are you in the other group? I hope you are in the other group. Mo, you are in which grade? This is a mixture. You know, exponents, they run from grade 8 up until grade 10. You see? So it's a mixture. It's a mixture, my guy. It's a mixture. Say, please take me when you're doing grade what? Um, you don't have my number? Send me a message. I'll add you into the group. Right now, I'm sending the group link, the link for this session. I think that's the easiest way which I noticed. Thanks for the follow, Mo. Thanks for the follow. Right, let me hold on a little bit, guys. Hold on a little bit. I want to. Why are you saying I don't see your messages? Did you send them? When did you send them? You send them to mine to WhatsApp or what? For G11. Oh, you are in grade 11. I see. Oh, here, no problem. I'll check them out. I will check them out. Don't worry. You see this group? You see this group here? Right now I'm sending the message for today, the link, so that everyone is updated fast, eh? Yeah, grade 11s I do tutor grade 11s, people. I do tutor grade 11s, but I rarely do grade 11 sessions. But we do them here and there, grade 10 and 11. But we do have a lot of students for grade 11s. It's just that the time, especially when schools open, you know what's happened. Yeah, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yes, it is December. You know, we are preparing. We're just reminding ourselves. We have a session. Well, when was the last time we had a session? It was on Monday. We had a session on Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday we have something. Thursday, maybe Friday, Saturday we are going to have something. I'll be sending maybe 1 or 2 questions for just to revise. You see. So don't worry. Just make sure you revise your last year's work. Your last year's work. Just make sure you do what? You revise your last year's work. All right. Let's continue, guys, with this one. All right. So let me check. I think I need to. Right. If you want to send me a number, 074 568 5212. 074 568 5212. If you don't see that logo, if you do not see this logo on that number, don't. This logo must be there. Right. So let's continue and finish up this question. Right. 18 divided by 3. What is this one? 6. Right. And then y to the power negative 6 divided by y to the power negative 4 is equal to what? So we are going to say x 5 minus put this in brackets, right? -2. Come to y to the power -6, put it in brackets, minus, put -4 in brackets. Right? So now, from here, what do we do? From here, we are going to say 5 minus -2. Negative and negative changes to what? Positive. So it's 5 plus 2, which is 7. So it's x, not y. X to the power of 7. And then y, -6 minus negative. Negative and negative, you see, changes to positive. So it's -6 plus 4, which is y to the power -2. So now our answer is going to be 6, x to the power 7, y to the power -2. Right. This is right. From there, we want to do a few more laws. We want to add a few more laws of exponents. I think it's 1 or 2. One or two laws of exponents. Hold on. Right. Right. I want you to check this one out. If you are given x over y to the power n, like this, it's a fraction, everything inside, and then to the power n. What is happening here? What is happening here is it's very, very easy. X is being affected, y is being affected. So it's going to be x to the power n over y to the power n. Like this. So if you are given x over 2 to the power 3 is equal to what? We are saying x to the power 3 over 2 to the power 3, which is x over 8. X to the power 3 over 8. That is our next law. From there, we have law number 6, whereby you see here, we calculated and you have y to the power -2. We don't want to leave the exponent negative like this. All right, we do not want to leave it like this, but as of now we left it because we have not yet done. Right now, if you have x to the power -n like this, you are going to change this to 1 over x to the power n. So now the exponent is going to be positive. Why? Because you have created a fraction. So the fraction is what? Making the exponent to be what? To be positive. Let's say, for example, you have 3 to the power negative 2, like this. 3 to the power negative 2. You are going to say 1 over 3 to the power 2. Now you can expand. Yes, Gibela, that is true. Now you can expand 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. Thanks for the follow, Mr. M. Thank you for the follow. So we are changing the negative exponent to be positive, right? I hope we are together. I hope we are together. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, guys. I really do appreciate. Thank you for tapping the screen also. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. So on this answer which we created, guys, remember we did this, changing negative exponent to what? To positive. So if you calculated and you get an answer which is negative 2, like this one, you are going to break 6 times x to the power 7 times y to the power negative 2. You break it like this. After breaking, you're going to say 6 times x to the power 7 times 1 over y squared. Right? And then you always know that these are fractions, over 1 over 1. We're breaking it down so that you see what is really happening. Right? So this is on top, it's going to be 6 x to the power 7, because it's going to times 1, so times 1 is going to remain the same, all over 1 times 1 times y squared, which is y squared. If you check what we did here, in grade 7, grade 6, 1 over 2 times 3 is the same as 1 over 2 times 3 over 1. So it's going to be 3 over 2, which is 1 times 3, 2 times 1. So we did the same here to change it to positive. Right? Right. Guys, I have a free group for grade what? Grade 8, 9. Grade 8 and 9 free group to learn for grade 8 and 9. Those who want to join, this is my number. This is our number. Send us a message. The one who answer you, just tell them free grade 8 and 9 WhatsApp group, and you will be added into the group. Right. Now, our next exponent, this one is for mostly grade 10s. This one is for mostly grade 10s. Let me just do it. Let me just do it so that those who are here, remember I said up to grade 10. So x to the power n over m is equal to what? This is our next exponent, right? So we are going to say square root of what? Square root of x right? To the power of what? To the power of n. And then we have this m here. It will be like this. If you check, let me give you an example. If we have 16 to the power what? 3 over 2 is equal to, you write your square root sign, right? Put your 16 inside. Remember, n is the one on top, so it continues. 16 cubed, square root comes here. So if you go to your calculator, you have this guy here. Where are you? This guy. You punch shift, and then you come and you punch this guy. This guy will come out showing you this. So here, that's where you put the 2. Because sometimes it's going to be 5 over 3 or 5 over 4. So this one is the one which comes here. So you are going to put your 2 there. And you're going to go inside. Open your bracket. 16 what? 16 cubed. You see? Cubed. Close bracket. Close bracket like this. So we took this as it is, punched it straight into our calculator, put our equal sign, 64. So our answer is going to be 64. Let's see if this is correct, right? Let's see if this is correct. We are going to take 16 as it is. We're going to take this as it is and punch it into our calculator. We are going to come here and we are going to say 16 to the power of, our power is a fraction, so it's power of 3 over 2, like this, which gives us what? 64. So, Dakalo, how are you? So, literally, what you are seeing here, you can punch it straight like this. But if the question say use the said form or show your calculations, the moment it says show your calculations, this is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. I hope we are together, guys. I hope we are together. All right. This is what we have done. These are our what? 5 laws of exponents. So I have a few practice questions which I want us to do. For these, we are going to do a few. They are going to start easy as we go, but they are going to be tougher as we go. So let's start. Let's go to a fresh page. Let's go to a fresh page, and then right. Number 1, we have x to the power 4, and they give you a full stop, x to the power 3. If you see this sign, it means multiply. Don't be confused. It means multiply. So if we are multiplying exponents with the same base, x to the power 4 plus 3, like this, which gives us x to the power 7. I hope we are together there, guys. I hope we are together. Right. Question number 2. Our question number 2. A to the power 9 divided by a to the power 2 is equal to, so we are going to say a to the power 9 minus 2, which is a to the power 7. All right. Our next question, question number 3, y to the power 7 times y to the power negative 4. Thank you for tapping the screen. Thank you. Let's tap the screen, guys. Let's get to 1,000, 2,000. We are close. We are close to 2K, to 1,000. Let's tap the screen as we go. Right. Here, remember, this means multiplication. Right? Right. So now, if this is multiplication, y to the power 7 plus, remember to put these guys in brackets so that you won't get confused. Not here. All right. So remember, 7 plus, open bracket, negative 4. This plus sign means that we are multiplying. Right? So we are going to say y 7 plus negative 4, which gives us y to the power 3. Ora, relax, me bro, relax. Relax, me bro, eh? I hope you're good. Enjoy ke December, man, eh? Ke December. You see, in this December, don't enjoy too much. Enjoy, come back to your books. Because January 15, 14, there when we are opening, my guy, it's going to be tough. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. I do appreciate. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys. All right. So this is what is happening here. All right. Y to the power 3. Let's go to our next question. We are just doing this so that our mind needs to be reminded, right? B to the power 5 divided by b to the power 8. Right. What you must remember is that here you are dividing, right? So it's the same as b to the power 5 divided by b to the power 8. So when we are dividing, which law do we use? We are going to come here, select the division, which means we are subtracting the exponents, right? Which means you are subtracting the exponents. You come here, which means you are going to come here and say b to the power 5 minus 8. So do not change to say 8 minus 5. No. What you must do is to say the first number, the first exponent, subtract the next exponent. Whether the first exponent is smaller or bigger than the next exponent just follow it. So here we are going to say 5 in brackets minus 8, which is going to give us b to the power negative 3. Right? The moment we get b to the power negative 3, remember we once said we do not leave a negative exponent like this. The negative exponent must be positive, right? So our law is here, law number 6. When you are changing negative exponent, it changes to what? To a fraction, right? So if it's changing to a fraction, what do? It's going to be 1 over the base and its exponent. The exponent is now what? Positive. And then you simplify if it's simplifiable. So you come here and you are going to say is equal to 1 over b to the power 3. This is now our answer. Right? This is now our answer. I hope we are together. Right. From there, question number 5. M to the power 0, m to the power 6. Any number or any variable to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So it's going to be 1 times m to the power 6, which is going to be 1 m to the power 6. Or which is going to become just m to the power 6. I hope we are together there. Or if you want to do a shortcut, you are going to say m to the power 0 plus 6, which is equal to m to the power 6. I hope we are together. Right. From there, question number 6. We have p to the power 3 squared. Remember this question. The exponent inside of the bracket is multiplied by the exponent outside of the bracket. So this is going to be p to the power 3 times 2, which is going to be p to the power of 6. Tell me, do you want a simple question for you to do, guys? Do you want a simple question for you to do? Right. You are given this question. 2x in brackets to the power of 3. Remember, every number or every variable standing alone, it's to the power of 1. It's to the power of what? Of 1. So now, the moment we are saying to the power of 1, that means 2 to the power of 1, x to the power of 1. So we are going to say 2 the power of 1, x to the power of 1, the power of 3. The exponents are being multiplied by the exponent outside. So it's going to be 2 to the power 1 times 3, x to the power 1 times 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 3, x to the power 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 3, 4, 8, x to the power 3. Right. Now, we want to continue. Another question. We have 3. Question number 8. 3a squared b to the power 3 from there to the power of 4 is equal to what? This one. We are given this so that we can simplify until we can no longer simplify. So you are going to come here. Remember, we talked about this. Every number, every variable, it is to the power of 1, right? So this is going to be power of what? 1. So it's going to be 3 to the power of 1 times 4, a to the power of 2 times 4, b to the power of 3 times 4, which is 3 to the power 4, a to the power 8, b to the power 12. And then 3 to the power of 4 gives us 81, which means our answer is 81, a to the power of 8, b to the power of 12. This is the furthest you can simplify. This is what we are doing. I hope everyone is benefiting from this. All right. This question is very tricky. Let me write it down. Now that one is repeating. Let me just write this one. It's question number 10, right? And it's 4a cubed to the power of 0. To the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0, any variable to the power of 0, the answer is equal to 1. That is our answer. Equal to what? 1. Right. Number 16. Oh, I skipped some questions. Let's see. Oh, yes, let's do this. Let's do this one. Right. I want us to do this question, guys. We have, let me just write question number 11. 5 to the power negative 2 is equal to what? Remember, we must change this exponent to positive. 1 over 5 to the power 2, which is 1 over 25. That is our first stage. We are done. Right? From there, our next step, next question, 12. Let's say you are given k to the power of 0 plus k to the power of negative 1. Like this. K to the power of 0 plus k to the power of negative 1. This one is a little bit tough. This is now maybe grade 10, grade 9. Grade 9 question. So remember, any variable, any number to the power of 0, the answer is 1. So it's going to be 1 plus k minus 1, k to the power negative 1, which is 1 over k. So if we want to continue, remember this is over what? 1. And we add just like the way we did fractions down there in grade 6, 7, 8. Common fraction is 1k. So it's going to be k plus 1 over what? Over k. And if you want to simplify it again, it will go back there to 1 plus 1 over k, which is basically our answer. All right, let's go question number 13. 3 over n to the power negative 2. So this literally means 3 divided by n to the power negative 2. So what are we going to do here? We are going to change this to positive. So this is going to be 3 over 1 divided by 1 over n to the power 2. Now from there, we did this in grade 7, whereby when you are dividing fractions, you change it to multiplication. The moment you change it to multiplication, you switch what is on top to the bottom, what is on top to the bottom, what is on the bottom to the top. All right? So now we are going to say n over n squared over 1. Nati, thank you for the follow. Thank you, Nati Kosa. Thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate. So we are going to switch n2 over n to the power 2 over 1. And then this is going to remain 3 over 1. So now, what are we going to do here? We are going to say 3 times n squared, which is 3n squared, over 1, which is 3n squared. So you must be very, very careful. Remember, we started from here. Here, we switched it to be the way we understand, to be like this. And then we changed these guys to fractions, whereby this became positive as 1 over 9 over 2. You see, this rain wants to come. Jesus. Right. So 3 over 1, change the division sign to multiplication. This concept we did it grade 7, 8, grade 6, 7, 8, somewhere there. Right? From there, switch 9 squared on top over 1. 3 times 9 squared, 3n squared. 1 times 1, 1, which is 3n squared is our answer. Especially this concept of switching, it's used a lot. We want to use it, especially grade 9s. We know you have forgotten it. Even grade 8. We know you have forgotten it. So we are going to remind you always about it. All right. Guys, somebody comment, because this Vutseka December must disappear. I don't want to delete it. I don't want to say something bad to Aura. Right. Question 14. Let's move. Question 14. Mukelani will come. Question 14. Okay, let's do this one. A to the power negative 4. Right? Divided by a to the power negative 1. Yes, this is grade 8, 9, and 10. Exponents. Algebra. Grade 8, 9, and 10. Don't worry, Azania. How are you? How is December? December started. Right. So now, remember, we talked about converting negatives to what? To positives. Right? Negative exponent must be changed to positive. To make this easy for us, let's convert our question to a to the power negative 4 divided by a to the power negative 1, like this. And we have done like this. Let's change these guys to what? To positive exponents. 1 over a to the power 4 divided by 1 over a to the power 1. Right, remember, we want to switch this guy to go on top, right? So we are going to say 1 over a to the power 4 times. You go on top, a to the power 1 over what? Over 1. So it's going to give us a to the power 1 over a to the power 4, which is equal to a to the power 1 minus 4, which is equal to a to the power negative 3. We don't leave negative exponents. It's going to change to a 1 over a to the power 3, like this. When I was writing, I just thought of something. Here, we can just come straight. Here, you see what we do. What is happening here? This is division, right? We are dividing here. So remember exponents. When you are dividing exponents, you subtract exponents. So let's subtract a to the power, put this in bracket, minus negative 1, like this. So this is going to lead you to what? A to the power, put this in brackets, negative plus 1. Right? So this is going to be a to the power negative 3, which we must not leave negative, 1 over a to the power 3. So this one is shorter than this. It depends with which method do you want. But this one, I prefer this one. This one is very straightforward, straight to the point. We have not cheated. We just applied the laws of exponents. So this means that the laws of exponents does not, they do not contradict. They support each other. So no matter you use which law of exponent, you are going to win. You are going to get the correct answer. Where are our laws of exponents? Let me show you. Those who are not here, these are our 7 laws of exponents. These are the guys we are working with. These are the 7 laws of exponents. These are the guys we are working with, 7 of them. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Let's tap the screen. Let's go to 1000. We've been on 630 for more than an hour. Yeah. Let's tap the screen, guys. Comfort, you're welcome. You're welcome. Right. Now let's continue. I think I have a few questions. Few more questions. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. Thank you. All right. All right. Oh, our space. Question 15. Question 15. Our question goes by 2 to the power negative 3, 2 to the power negative 4, 2 to the power 5. These guys are the same basis. So we are just going to do the same. All right? Okay, let's do this. Squared. Bodmas. Bedmas. Let's use bedmas. Brackets. Exponents. So we solve what is inside the bracket first, and then we will go for exponents. All right? So this is 2, open bracket, negative 3, This is plus because we are multiplying as we add negative 4. We are adding the exponents plus 5. Alright, so from here we are going to say negative 3 minus 4, which is negative 5, plus 2, which is negative 2. 2 to the power negative 2. Remember this square which is outside. Solve what is inside. After getting the answer, the outside exponent must affect what is inside. Right? So we are going to come here and put out to the power 2. So remember, this 2 is being affected by this. So we are going to say 2 to the power negative 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power negative 4. Remember, we do not leave an answer negative. We leave an answer positive, especially the exponents. We leave the exponents, not like the answer that it can be negative 3, which is correct, but we leave all exponents must be positive, right? Exponents must be what? Positive. So here it's going to be 1 over 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 1 over 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, which is 1 over 16. That is our answer. I hope we are together here, guys. I hope we are together. All right. I want us to take these higher challenge questions. These ones are a little bit easier. These are a little bit easier. Let's go for the higher challenge questions. All right. The higher challenge questions. Number 1. 2x cubed y to the power negative 2 over 4x y to the power negative 3. What do we do here? Number divides number, variable divides variable. Right? So we are going to say 2 by 4 x cubed. We're dividing. Why am I multiplying? X cubed divided by x. Remember, I said a variable which is standing alone is always to the power of 1. So it's going to be x to the power of 1 equal to y to the power negative 2 divided by y to the power of negative 3. 2 divided by 4, 0.5. X to the power 3 minus 1. Remember to put these guys in brackets so that you don't get confused. Y to the power of negative 2 minus negative 3. So here you are going to say 3 minus 1, 2. X to the power 2. Negative 2 minus minus 3. So this is going to change to plus. So negative 2 plus 3, which is 1, y to the power 1. So our answer is going to be 0, 5 x squared y to the power 1. Like this. Yes. From there, let's have another higher order question. A squared b to the power negative 1 squared. It's not full. A squared b to the power negative 1 over a negative 3 b to the power 4. Right. Now this is the real question. I hope we are together, guys. I hope we are together. Right. Now remember that we once talked of this guy here. Where are you? Here. Everything at the bottom is being affected by everything. The exponent is affecting everything inside. So if this is to the power of 1 and this is the power of 1, that means this is 1 times n. 1 times n. Thank you for tapping the screen. Thank you. So literally, we want to apply this concept here. So this means a 2 times 2, b to the power negative 1 times 2. All exponents are being affected by this guy. A to the power negative 3 times 2, b to the power 4 times 2. Rhoda, come. Right. So now, a to the power 4, b to the power negative 2 over a to the power negative 6, b to the power what? Okay, to the power 8. From here, variable divides variable. A, the power 4 divided by a to the power negative 6. Honey Beja, thank you for tapping the screen. B to the power negative 2 divided by b to the power 8. So we are going to say 4 minus 6, which is a to the power 10. B to the power negative 2 minus 8, negative 10. So our answer is going to be a to the power 10, b to the power negative 10. But remember that we said we cannot leave an exponent negative. We must not leave an exponent negative in our answer. So that means this exponent must change to positive. Remember, d to the power 10 is multiplied. It's a, it's not d. A to the power 10 is multiplying b to the power negative 10. So we are going to say a to the power 10 over 1 times 1 over b to the power 10. This guy is now what? Positive, the exponent. So this times this, a to the power 10 over b to the power 10. Now this is our full answer. Calculation seems long because I'm breaking it down. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. All right. To get more of these questions, I think I'm going to post them into my WhatsApp group. So please, guys, those who want to join the WhatsApp group, please join. We are going to have another session, I think, tonight. I'll post the link in the group when we are starting. Those who want to join, please, this is the number. Send me a message, and then I'll let you join to the group. I will let you join into the group. So guys, peace be unto you. Enjoy your December. You see, this is December. So December we must have short sessions. Short session in the afternoon, short session in the evening, and then we are done. Right? So guys, enjoy your holiday. TV, welcome. Welcome. I hope you are enjoying your holiday. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Peace, guys.